Richard and Julie with you. John Lyon is President and CEO of the Health Sciences Centre Foundation. And John, trying times, but you folks at the foundation are launching a campaign on how we can all help Manitoba's hospital.
Richard, it's great to speak with you and Julie again. Thank you for the opportunity. There's no question this is a daunting challenge ahead of all of us as Manitobans, but I know we're up for it. And HSC is certainly Manitoba's largest hospital, the backbone of the healthcare system, and we need to be prepared to support the men and women who will be there for us in our time of need as things escalate with the COVID-19 crisis. So we've established a COVID-19 crisis response fund to support, again, the doctors, nurses, allied health professionals, and other staff and patients who they treat. All of us rely on HSC, and we want to set up a fund to support the men and women through this challenging time.
How does it work?
So what I would ask people to do is we work with the hospital leadership and those on the front lines to identify needs. And frankly, because we're early days into this, as they work hard to prepare, we don't exactly know what the needs are downstream, but we'd ask people to make a contribution through our website at www.hscfoundation.mb.ca or by phoning 204-515-5612. And our hope is to establish, again, a good-sized fund that we can support investments to support the men and women on the front lines and the patients who rely on them. An example of what we're trying to do, we're going to be buying some technology, some iPads, so that those who are in hospital, and this was a request of the ICU department, to allow patients and their loved ones to be able to connect with each other because, of course, visitors aren't allowed now. So that's just one tangible example of how we can make investments to support those who we rely on.
I think, John, it's so incredible how your organization can be this nimble to respond to these needs right away, and that clearly the staff identify, hey, there's a gap here, like, for example, families not being connected, that we can help fix this, that we can make a trying time just a little bit easier. And again, you deal with the best of the best when it comes to your donors.
Yeah, no, we've got an incredible donor base, and it's led by our board chair, Tina Jones, who's kicking off our fundraising with a $5,000 donation. This is being matched by local businessman and philanthropist Albert Eltassi, who's committed $5,000 as well. You know, we have an incredible community, an incredible province. Manitobans always step up. I remember flood of the century in '97. We all stepped forward. This is a different kind of a challenge, but the opportunity remains for Manitobans to get together and rally around important causes. Health Sciences Centre, as Manitoba's hospital, is extremely important to all of us, especially at this time, and we just want to encourage people to, again, do what they can when they can. We appreciate, too, it's a difficult economic time. It's a difficult economic environment. So if you could give a financial gift to the foundation to help the front line, great. If you can't do that, do what my sister did. She dropped off a beautiful lemon cake for me today. She stayed in touch. Talk to your neighbor, talk to your loved one, self-isolate and all those sorts of things that the government and the health are directing you to, but take care of each other. And this is a way that we can get behind and support healthcare at Manitoba's hospital.
Nicely done. You don't need lemon cake, but give us that that address and phone number again, John.
Because I'm sweet enough, but it's www.hscfoundation.mb.ca or phone 204-515-5612, toll free 1-800-679-8493. Thank you, Manitobans.
Yeah, we'll go with that. Sweet enough. Thank you, John.
Thank you. Take care.